Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use form validation in React.js. We'll start by understanding why validation is essential for both user experience and data integrity. Client-side validation offers immediate feedback, guiding users to correct errors before submission. React's controlled components are fundamental here, allowing us to manage all form input values directly through our component state. This approach gives us full control over the form's behavior and data flow. Now, let's implement some simple validation. First, use the useState hook to manage each input's value and its corresponding error message. When an input changes, update its state. For a basic check like ensuring a field isn't empty, simply add a conditional statement. If the input is invalid, set an error message in your state. Then, conditionally render this error message right below the input field, providing clear feedback to your user. Moving on to more advanced validation, we can implement robust rules. For email addresses, a regular expression ensures the format is correct, like checking for an @ symbol and a domain. Password validation can require a minimum of 8 characters, including numbers and special symbols, for enhanced security. It's also crucial to collect all validation errors from various fields and display them clearly to the user, guiding them through every necessary correction. Finally, to streamline your validation process, consider using a dedicated library. Tools like React Hook Form or Formic significantly reduce the boilerplate code needed for complex forms. They handle state management, error handling, and submission logic efficiently, often with minimal re-renders, which boosts performance. These libraries provide powerful, built-in validation schemas and custom rule capabilities, making it much easier to build robust and user-friendly forms with less effort and fewer lines of code.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.